Hey viewer, on that surface we will make the shapes there. So let's create these shapes. We will change the border color as well. So then for further we will click on it, change the border color again. So let's create the further designs. There we have the further, and keep on editing these shapes. So that's it, we have created a design there. You can subscribe my channel for more videos.